I just need 5 minutes of your time. There is a recent incident that happened, violence in the school, and that shocked everyone in America. Not only in America, but the entire world. And that is not the first incident that happened. In past, we have witnessed so many incidents like that. So there is so much violence in the society today. There is so much violence in the schools among kids. So why this violence is happening? What is the reason? There is so much conflict. There is so much conflict in the kids' mind. So what as a society we can do? There is conflict in the mind because nowhere in the schools or in the college, in the house, we teach kids how to manage their emotion. They don't know what to do with their emotion when they feel negative emotions. Now we don't teach them because we ourselves don't know what to do with our negative emotions. So how many times during the day we feel hatred or we feel anger or feel blame or fear or anxiety? During a day we feel this emotion, and our mind is actually caught up in this emotion. But we have heard the concept. It's called power of now. We all know as a concept there is a lot of power in now. Why there is power in now? Because all the positive emotions like joy, peace, and productivity, efficiency are at peak when you are in the present moment. While our mind is actually vacillating between past and future all the time. Now, how to get into the present moment? There are so many techniques available in the ancient Vedas that help you to get into the present moment. And one of the techniques is called Sudarshan Kriya. And that has been taught in Art of Living Part 1 course. Now, what is Sudarshan Kriya? It's nothing but just the science of breath. It is yoga of breath. And why there is so much importance of breath? Because 90% of the toxins from the body, they get washed out by breath. But we use only 30% of our lung capacity. So imagine if we use like 50 or 60 or 80% of our lung capacity. What wonders it can do to our life, to our body, to our mind. So this course is, and again there is a science to the breath. When we have stress in our body, when we have anxiety, our body kind of creates a different breathing pattern. When we are happy, our body creates a different breathing pattern. So that means we can actually change our emotion if we attain to the breath. So that is what all Sudarshan Kriya is about. It's a very small, short, simple course. It will teach you Sudarshan Kriya, yoga of breath, combined with meditation and some self-awareness technique. And you have to commit only 2 hours of your time for 3 to 4 days, depending on where the course is happening. The courses are happening everywhere. There is a center in Woburn, in Shrewsbury. There are so many courses which are scheduled now. And who can take this course? Anybody can take this course. Kids age 8 years to 12 years of old, they have a course called Art Excel course. There is a course from 12 years, young adult and teenagers. There is a course called Yes Plus, Yes Program, which is a leadership program, which inculcates a lot of leadership qualities among youth and gives more focus and attention, clears their mind, it helps them in their studies, helps them in making a good decision making, it also helps them in decision making. And there are almost 30,000 schools in America today, 30 to 37,000 schools in America which are tied up with Art of Living, where Art of Living conducts these courses on regular basis in those schools. And also in some colleges they also give credit if you take those courses. So everybody is benefiting from these courses. For us there are courses which are the part of Part 1 course that I just explained. Now these courses are happening all over the world. Millions of people are getting benefited out of it. Art of Living has reached out to the worst places in the world where there is a lot of conflict, the severe conflict is there, like Afghanistan, Pakistan, and Iraq. So people there not only need just the material help or the places where they get hit by any natural calamity. They not only need the material help, but they also need relief from their trauma memory. And that is what Art of Living doing. And they, with the help of these courses, with this technique, they can look at the future with new possibilities. And also the courses are happening in the prison. It's called Prison Smart Program. With that, it's so heartwarming to see the transformation with those people. So everybody is getting benefited. If you want to know more about the courses, if you want to know more about the humanitarian project the Art of Living is undertaking, you can go to the website artofliving.org and you can get to know more about it. So for me personally, these courses are so magical, and even if I can give somebody a glimpse of the experience, what I get out of the courses, I would consider myself very fortunate. So this is kind of a personal invitation to each one of you to just come and try the course, see how you feel like, and it will do wonders to your life. Breathe in is the first act when we do, like when we are born, breathe in is the first act we do. And when we die, breathe out is the last act is what we do. So our life is full of so many inhalations and so many exhalations. So we can just be a little aware of our breath. If we can just if we invest in our breath, it would do wonders to your life, and it would add so many colors to your life. So thank you for listening to me today, and thank you all. Happy Holi to everyone.